I went behind the shop here and did a rip in it right after the dyno, and those tires are absolutely terrifying. I almost put the thing into a curb. That was mistake one. I'm glad it happened because I haven't had a scare like that in a while, and it was a lesson learned. These tires are never going to be on this machine again. Second thing we learned during that, Mina came over and he was like, it's leaking oil. I'm like, oh, it's just residual because we started it with the valve covers off earlier. Well, then we found out that there's like a lot of oil and it's all over the pulleys. So then we started it again to look to see where it's coming from. We noticed the freaking crank pulley bolt here is not even, do you see that? Yeah. Yay! Just documenting how nice it is to have friends that love me.
Unpaid employees?
Unpaid friends, that's what you're called.
People at O'Reilly's hate you.
No, they really like me. They greet me as the idiot.
The idiot? Idiot?
It kind of varies, but Chief, dum-dum.
Chief, O'Reilly.
But in a loving, sentimental way. How'd you rip the glove? Now I have to edit all this out.
I see why this took forever.
Well, Andrew did it in like 6 minutes. I don't know how. Wait, so did the bolt I take out even matter?
I just lost a 15 in your pedal assembly, so.
All right, we have a kind of big issue that I wasn't planning on having. So as you can see, that's not perfect. This is going to be a little lower than I want it to be. I want it to be just above the windshield, just so it's not right next to my head. This is kind of a questionable tactic, but I was able to unbend that bend there, and then I drilled a new hole. You could tell I drilled it because that's crooked, but I drilled another hole on here to be able to bend that 90 degree up a little bit. I was able to unbend them just a smidgen. Gosh dang it, I just bought one of these rolls freaking 2 months ago. Apparently I've been welding it. Come out of your hole. No, you unscrew. That plate's welded real good. That's never coming off.
No. You don't gotta pretend you are guessing.
It's just for B-roll so people know you helped me. Unless I choose to randomly keep all this audio. All right, we got these boys mounted. I don't think we're gonna spin with these. These are freaking sweet and they're super soft. We got 2 down bars left to do. They're already notched. And then I found a guy, so I'm out of material. I have probably enough to do half of a door bar. If we have time, we're gonna X the door bars. But then we have to do a dash bar, this bar, and then a harness bar, and I'm out. But I found a dude in Golden, which is roughly 15 minutes from us, and he's got plenty. So I'm gonna go buy all that after we notch these out. Gotta go back to Discount Tire to get the fronts, to pick up the fronts rather, and we're moving along. The only thing I have to do, aside from the cage stuff, is put the floor in and notch it out for the fuel lines. And then the dipstick is currently being held in place with zip ties. So I'd like to change that. And then we need to make some form of tab to hold this to the cage. That's kind of been a plan from the beginning, but now that it's here, I don't really know how I'm gonna do it. And then the doors do clear the cage. We just have to trim a little bit more, and then we have to figure out a way to shut them. So we still have basically a lot to do, and then I gotta do a couple of things on the truck before it's ready to roll. But overall, we're looking good. Nick took care of the trailer, so that's all done, ready to roll, which is a giant help. Andrew's been here putting on things here and there and helping with the cage. So things are moving, guys are helping. It's awesome. Max just dropped off these pink harnesses that we can that we could use. So we're moving along. That took way too freaking long to get, to try and get that to actually look like an X. That took a tremendous amount of time. Okay, so got those 2 new sticks there. We got to make dash bar, this bar, harness bar. We're gonna save Xing that side to the very end because I don't really plan on people riding in this, but I guess we're gonna find out. This is priority. That's if we have extra time. Let's go. Thank you, Andrew. Probably goes to nothing.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks cool.
Tremendously better with these tires.
You try to grab a second?
throttle? Yeah. Off the pedal?
Yeah.
Yeah, no,
You know what's dumb is I wasn't recording when you did that burnout.
oh.
So you might have to do a donut.
Let's just fix the gas.
That's what was happening to mine.
What?
Solid. Yeah, park it. Pump the brakes. Yeah, we got a loose fitting. Probably why Dennis said the brakes felt spongy.
This thing fits on the trailer a lot better.
So much better. Finally, I have my own marks on this asphalt. Okay, we are locked and loaded. Those were 2 really long days. Andrew killed it. Nick did all the stuff on the trailer, so we're good to go. We got spare tires. We got new tires on the truck. We spent a lot of money to make this happen as fast as we did. We are leaving 4 in the morning, mañana. So we did it, guys. We are on our way. So we will see you guys at Ice Cream Cruise.